What my son Michael's doing is he's closing off the bottom of a temporary form. We've just installed a stainless liner that we had manufactured in northern Vermont for us so that this fireplace will have adequate draft and safety. And he's grouting the edge of that plywood form with fiberglass. Because we're going to pour a insulation cement mix with water around that pipe. And if he doesn't do that, it's just going to spill out into the fireplace. After that sets up, we're going to take this plywood out. We're going to coat the inside of the smoke chamber, which is where his arms and stomach area is. And we're going to make sure that it's adequately protected in the firebox and the smoke chamber. And call for inspection from the town of Holliston to check it all. And to the left of my son is a bake oven, which is where all the baking was done early on. And probably 100 years ago, someone stole the bake oven and ran the furnace flue to the basement, because these houses were not heated with furnaces or boilers in the basement. They were heated with fireplaces. There were no...
Or even wood stoves early on.
No, there was too early for wood stoves. So this was heated entirely by fireplaces. A house like this would consume approximately 30 cords of firewood a year. So this was the most important part of the house. And now oftentimes the most neglected part of the house.